Today we're installing a Sonny Power 48V 105Ah lithium battery upgrade kit on a 2023 Kandi Kruiser 4-passenger Element. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step, from removing the old lead-acid batteries to installing and setting up the new lithium system. Let's get started. Start by setting the parking brake. Next, turn the key to the off position. Next, remove the seat. Lift it up, remove the screws on each side, then carefully take it off and place it in a safe location. Let's move on to removing the old lead-acid batteries. Start by unscrewing and disconnecting all battery cables. As you do this, take note of the main positive and main negative cables, as well as any additional wiring connected to the batteries. Once everything is disconnected, remove any battery brackets or retaining screws. Next, lift the top panel covering the controller to expose the working area. Carefully lift and remove each battery from the compartment. These batteries are heavy, so make sure to use proper lifting techniques or get assistance if needed. At this point, you should be left with the manufacturer charger's positive, negative, and ground cables remaining. With the original lead-acid batteries removed, the compartment no longer has a floor base. Measure the space carefully and cut 2 pieces of waterproof plywood to fit. Install them to create a sturdy, water-resistant floor base for the cart. Secure the plywood base to the cart. You'll need to drill holes in the battery compartment so the mounting bolts can pass through and hold the board firmly in place on both sides. Next, remove the main positive power cable running from the controller to the battery. This cable is typically too short to reach the new battery's positive terminal, so we'll replace it with a longer one. Now, after confirming the best position for the bracket, drill 3 holes into the plywood. Next, vacuum the area to remove any wood debris from drilling. Then, place the bracket over the drilled holes and align it precisely into position. Then, install the screws and tighten them carefully to secure the bracket in place. Securely mount the Sonny Power charger in a location that is protected from direct water exposure. Ensure there is sufficient clearance around the cooling fan, at least 6 inches, to allow proper airflow and prevent overheating. Remove the factory charging port by unfastening the mounting screws. Install the Sonny Power universal charging port in the same location. Now, let's remove the factory charger. It's typically located in the front area of the cart. Carefully disconnect all connected cables, then slide the charger out through the side. Since the factory charger has been removed, most Kandi golf cart installations may not run because the charger circuit is part of the cart's safety loop. To bypass this, locate the small white connector that was previously connected to the charger. You'll need to bridge this connection so the system recognizes the circuit as complete. This can be done by installing a jumper wire between the appropriate terminals or by cutting and joining the wires directly. Once connected, Make sure everything is properly secured with connectors or heat shrink to prevent it from coming loose or causing any electrical issues. Carefully place the Sonny Power lithium battery onto the mounting bracket. Ensure it is properly aligned and securely seated, with the terminals facing the correct direction for easy access during wiring. Secure the battery to the mounting bracket by firmly tightening the screws, ensuring it is safely and securely held in place. Plug the gray Quick Connect into its matching connector on the charging port, making sure it's securely connected. Next, connect all negative cables. This includes the main ground cable and the charger's negative lead. Secure them properly to the negative terminal. Then repeat the process for the positive side. Connect the main positive cable and the charger's positive lead securely to the positive terminal. Connect the CAN communication cable to the corresponding plug on the charger. Next, connect the CAN communication cable to the battery's communication port, ensuring a secure and proper connection. Open the cup holder area and carefully inspect the location. Using a 51mm hole saw, drill a hole at the chosen location. Once drilled, insert the SOC meter and secure it in place according to the kit instructions. To connect the state of charge (SOC) meter to the battery, feed the meter harness through the hole and route the cable beneath the cart. Carefully guide the harness back to the battery compartment, securing it along the underside with zip ties to keep it protected. Finally, connect the SOC meter cable to the display port on the battery, ensuring the connection is secure and properly seated. Now power on the battery, double check everything looks good, and watch your cart come to life. You're ready to hit the road.